If you know about any of the Disney resorts, then if you can't tell by the headboard, I'm staying at Port Orleans Riverside in the, I don't know what it's called, like the Royal Guest Room or something. It's the one with all the princess theming, and there are portraits of the princesses, and there's a magic carpet on the floor. The headboard lights up with fireworks. The room is super cute. I am going to like a Magic Kingdom resort for dinner, so which is contemporary. So I'm trying to figure out what time to get there. I'm just gonna hang out here until I decide that I need to leave. I have to walk back, so I'm probably gonna have to leave here in like half an hour. So I was gonna do a room tour tomorrow, but it's gonna be messy by then because I'll have like slept in the bed and all my stuff will be everywhere. So I thought I would just do it now so I look like a mess, even more of a mess, because I just tried to braid my hair really quickly, so it's not that neat. And the channel keeps saying it's gonna rain right now, and if it does, I'm not prepared because I just realized I forgot my raincoat, but I digress. Let's get to the room tour. I am in a corner room on the first floor, so this is what it looks like when you are standing in the doorway. That is obviously a door to a connecting room, but I'm not going to use it. And then there are 2 windows here, which is really nice because it brings a lot of natural light. There's this little seating area that is super cute. It has a little letter from Princess Tiana. You know, I used to hate that movie, Princess and the Frog, but I've recently just, I don't know, I just started liking it all of a sudden. There are 2 beds in here. I think these are 2 full-size beds, I'm assuming. And like I said, this is the room where the headboard lights up with little fireworks. I'm probably just gonna plop a lot of my stuff down here and sleep in the other one, or I don't know yet. I guess we'll find out when I come home or come back to the room. I don't know. Here is the magic carpet from Aladdin. Isn't it super cute? I love this. Also, here are my Allbirds, which are probably gonna get super dirty today. The button, in case people were wondering, to turn on the fireworks is right here on the side. Look at that, so beautiful. There are pictures here. You can't see it so well, but the top one is a picture of my favorite princess, Princess Ariel from The Little Mermaid, and then Sleeping Beauty, Aurora, Briar Rose, whatever you want to call her. They have more portraits, so Jasmine, Cinderella, Rapunzel, and Belle, and then the silhouettes of all of the princes. And then if we turn this way, so I'm standing in between the beds, that is obviously the TV and a little cabinet. To be completely honest with you guys, I never unpack my stuff no matter what hotel I stay in unless I have something to hang, and I don't really have anything to hang this time because I have like 1 extra outfit with me. There is, I don't know what this character's name is from Beauty and the Beast, but this is the little Ottoman dog from Beauty and the Beast. And then of course, Princess Tiana herself. I really like these portraits because it's that 3D effect. I think it just looks so cute. And then this is of course leading into the bathroom, and I'm assuming you can just close the blinds on the inside. I'm probably gonna do that because, fun fact, I'm afraid of the dark, and I'm definitely gonna have to clean it or close it. What? Close it. There are 2 sinks, 2 mirrors, and then here's the little closet area, which I said I wasn't gonna have to use. And then there is a safe back here as well. Not very large, but you know, you can put some valuables in there. Here is the bathroom, and I really like it because, I don't know if you guys can see on the top of the shower curtain, it's the dingle hopper from Little Mermaid. And then they have the little like pumps of shampoo and stuff, and I completely forgot that they did that, so I brought my own, and I didn't need to, I guess, because I actually really love the H2O stuff, and I don't have a problem with reusing those kinds of things, because when I used to go to the Equinox gym in New York City, that's what they had in the showers. They just had the pumped ones. And then it's me. Hey, I have to do my makeup real quick. I'm so bad at these room tours. So there is Snow White right there, probably the OG princess. The room does come with a Cuisinart coffee maker and then like Joffrey's, and it comes with some paper cups and then an ice bucket, some cups, and then actually some brochures and stuff. So if you needed like info about Disney Springs or any of the parks, it does have in-room delivery. Anyway, like I said, I do have to get ready really quickly so that I can hop on a bus soon. This, by the way, is like my saving grace here when I'm walking in the parks. This is the Mega Babe Thigh Rescue Anti-Chafe Stick. It's by, what is it, Katie Storino. It's the best. Honestly, I love her. I think she's super funny, and I love these products, especially this one. And I highly recommend it because Chub Rub's real, guys. It's real. So I just want you to know that I made a real rookie mistake here in Florida into Disney parks. It's 5:43. My dinner reservation is at 6:40 at the Contemporary. I'm not gonna make the next bus to Magic Kingdom, which is where I have to go because, like I said, I'm not gonna use my car. But also, I forgot chapstick. I don't know how I forgot chapstick when I don't have any chapstick with SPF in it. I'm gonna highly regret it. I don't want to buy any, but I might have to tomorrow. So I don't know. I have 5 minutes to make this bus. Doubt it's gonna happen. Guess we'll find out. Midnight, but since I'm staying at the resort, I can do extra magic hours here at Magic Kingdom today. But I'm not gonna lie, some of the lines for these rides are still insanely long, to the point that it's almost not worth it, because you still have to wait almost an hour for 7 Dwarfs Mine Train. And I'm not waiting an hour. So I'm literally about to do Little Mermaid Under the Sea, and then I'm calling it a night. And I'm going back to Port Orleans because I'm super tired. I had to work today at 7:30, and I just want to be in bed. I just got back from eating at like the food court here at Riverside, and when I was done, or yeah, pretty much when I was done, I was about to leave, and I started thinking, like, don't they have a pool bar? And then I looked it up, and obviously they did, and I probably could have gone there and gotten better food, but honestly, it doesn't matter now. I decided to come back to my room for a little bit, one, to check if they had come in and, like, I guess check the room, do the room, I don't know, whatever. And then they did, which was pretty quick because I wasn't gone for that long. I was only gone for maybe an hour and a half. I also wanted to cool off a little bit because I am about to walk to French Quarter, which, according to, this doesn't seem right, the girl at, or I guess concierge, first front desk, I think they're combined now, so the girl at the front desk told me that it was 3 miles to French Quarter, and I think she might have meant to and from French Quarter, because I'm on the very edge, it feels like, of the, or no, it is, I'm on the very edge of the Riverside rooms. I'm pretty sure once I go underneath the bridge that's right in front of me, I will be on French Quarter property. I'm going to go, obviously, to get the beignets because I'm here, might as well. So I went to French Quarter. It's really not that far. It's so close. She definitely meant, I think, if I had walked around all of Riverside and then walked to French Quarter, it would have taken 3 miles, but it's not that far. Their food court is much smaller than Riverside's, but I think they also have better food. The only thing I got were the beignets, and those were pretty good. Better than my lunch. So I'm glad I got them because I was getting a little bit hungry. You guys, I just remembered that you can use your phone to unlock your door. So I'm gonna try it right now, see if it works. So I have it on my screen. I'm at my door. So here it is. It works. Just realized that I forgot to check bus times here at my resort to take me to Epcot, and it says unavailable currently, so that's fun. Can't wait. Epcot is so open now because they got rid of all of the Leave a Legacy things. It's amazing. There's so much room to walk right now until I guess they put in all the new garden and stuff. Hi guys, good morning. It is 10:24. I'm wearing my glasses are so yellow because these are my my computer ones, the ones I wear when I'm just like staring at my computer all night. I was on my computer just now, so I have finally packed up all my stuff. I got ready, and now I'm gonna head out because it's checkout day and I've got to go back to real life. I ended up not going to Illuminations last night because I honestly didn't feel like it. I was so tired, and I think I was still tired from extra magic hours at Magic Kingdom the night before, so I just decided to say forget it, and I just ended up leaving. So right now I'm gonna go home, drop off my stuff. I actually have a nail appointment at 11:30, so I need to skedaddle. Bye, room.